Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see messages without opening on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, access a particular Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Right, once you have tapped on it, you're gonna find this kind of interface right over here. Right, simply tap on this little message icon given below right corner, and now you're gonna see, let's say we do have a message from a particular user. You can see over there, and if you want to check out the message but we do not want the person to know it, don't want it to be seen or etc., we can simply tap on, press and hold on the person's profile and simply swipe to our right and simply check out that particular message and simply again put it back. And that way you can see we do still have that new snap icon given over it, which is not opened, but we checked out the message as well. Again, press and hold to the right side of the screen of the profile and simply swipe to your right and check out the message and put it back. That is the way you can do it. Other thing is simply for you to turn off the network connection of yours and simply tap on it and check out as well. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.